Williams. I'm from Aberdeen and I'm an actor but wanting to learn more about prop making. I found out through It's My Shout. I got an email sent to me and then I looked a bit on the website and then just applied, hoping to get further into the industry. So I'd like to get into prop making because I done a prop before on It's My Shout short film. But before that I used to make props in my spare time in the house and stuff. I used to make a lot of things from like Harry Potter and Star Wars and stuff when I was a kid. But I'd still like to bring it into the industry and make my own stuff. Yeah, I just love being a prop maker. I'd like to also keep up my acting as well, because that's what's got me into the industry at first. But my number one goal when I was younger was to be a prop maker for film and TV. Whether that's big budget films or TV shows, it doesn't really matter. As long as I can use my imagination, then yeah, it's brilliant.